Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm Valerie.
I'm Sondra Kretschmar. Nice
to meet you. Thank you so much for having me at your studio.
Welcome.
Oh my gosh, so this piece right here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. You literally create art and bring it to life.
We do. This is amazing. A client brought this in and it was broken and dirty, covered with hay and dirt, and she wanted us to rebuild it for her. And my business partner, Kathryn, she took every piece out, cleaned it, reassembled it, and now she's in the process of soldering it together. And this panel we estimate to be about 110 years old.
Wow. How did you and Kathryn start the idea of coming together and creating River City Glassworks?
Well, we had separate stained glass businesses.
Okay.
I asked her one day if she needed any additional help, and she said yes, she did. So I did contract work with her for a while, and we decided that we worked better together than separately. So we joined a partnership, and in February we celebrated our first year as partners.
That's amazing, congratulations.
Thank you.
And the cool thing about this studio is not only we get to see you guys create this beautiful artwork, I get to do it too, right?
Yes.
Well, I'm super excited to jump into one of the classes, if that's okay, because I would love to learn how to make this beautiful kind of artwork.
Kathryn has one going on right now.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, perfect, let's go, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm so excited that I got to jump into one of your classes. I see the beautiful artwork in here, but I literally have no idea how you guys make all of it.
Well, great. You came to the right place. We're going to walk through the process today, and you're going to make your very own piece. So we always begin our classes by teaching the students how to cut. This is the cutting tool. So with the glass, you just lay it flat, take your pen, just draw a line down the middle of the glass. Now, you just bring the tip here, the little roller, from one side all the way to the other, and you want to hear a scratching sound. You hear that?
Okay.
Straight up and down. Okay, so now you have scratched the glass. That's called scoring the glass.
Okay.
So to break it, now we're going to use running pliers. You're going to line that up with your score.
Where you made the cut.
Exactly.
Oh,
yay!
I did it!
That's right. Now the colored glass, that's great. Yay!
Ooh.
Tool, because that's a narrow edge. So you're going to use the next step is putting the copper foil on. And this is copper foil in front of you here. The copper foil gives the solder something to stick to.
So usually how long are these classes?
They take from 3 to 4 hours. Most people take a beginner class, and most of them have never held a tool. They don't have any idea, but they are interested to learn. And so they just want to come try it.
So where can people sign up to take these classes?
You can sign up through our website or through Airbnb. We are listed as an Airbnb experience. We were approved for that, so that was a real big honor for us. We get a lot of people who call us because they just have questions before they sign up. They need to know more information, so anyone can call at any time to find out more.
This is so beautiful. Okay, so once you piece it together, how does it stick?
You all have soldering irons.
Oh.
And they are,
Whoa!
So I hold my iron in my right hand and my solder in my left.
Okay.
And I'm just going to push.
Oh, okay. So it just kind of melts
there,
off.
it just melts. And it gets hard almost immediately.
Oh my gosh.
That's right. Very good. Okay, if that happens, just melt it off.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Put your heat in there. Don't be afraid of the heat. And you start at one point and you move to the other. There you go.
I just smooth it out like nothing.
So to finish the project, what we do is we put the zinc on the outside, and this is a nice hard shiny metal. It finishes it up, it gives it strength. And then we put a little jump ring and a ribbon, and voila! You have your stained glass pieces.
This is so freaking cool. Thank you so much for teaching me and walking me through my first glass staining experience. This is amazing. What you're doing with the community also is absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
wish y'all nothing but the best, and congratulations on y'all's first year
Thank you.
together.
Thank you.
And I'm excited to see what else y'all do. So this is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.